Hey everyone, this video is very important. If you skip this video, you will lose important thing. So please 2 or 3 minutes just wait and just see what I actually tell to you, and you can skip the video. So don't worry. At first, this video we will actually Elementor Pro. So recently my client show you provide you that is Elementor Pro was not latest version, so he will actually got a vulnerability found. So these are the very issue for your website. So in that case you need to update your Elementor Pro if you use actually Elementor Pro. So in order to do right now, Elementor Pro launch new version, that is 3.20.0. this is the very latest version. Actually this version includes tons of fixing and such improved display condition, enhanced accessibility in widgets, additional style control, and the additional transition duration option. It also includes features like page transition and scroll snap, and also promote display condition and taxonomy filter to beta status, and finally resolve the issue related of console of errors and output escaping. All those more measures fixing are already Elementor Pro is already shown is over here. It's a new Elementor Pro update. So if you are not buy Elementor Pro for very high price, you can purchase from my website, from my buy me a coffee link. This is actually buy me a coffee. I will provide you this is a 3.20.0 per license with GPL Elementor Pro. It's already updated, it's a virus free, and you can download and with $5. And if you want to buy Elementor Pro from Elementor official website, you just go to my any of my video of description box. You will get Elementor link, and you will if you use this link you will get bonus, and you just click this Elementor link and it will redirect to that page that actually Elementor Pro actually you need. From if you want to buy official website Elementor Pro, you can just use this link. Any of video you will just going to my description box, and you will get this link, and you will you can purchase Elementor Pro from official website. All right, so if you want to buy for low price, you can get this, and just put your name like name@gmail.com, and actually these are the name, and it will be name@gmail.com, and just click pay, and it will redirect to your redirect to payment gateway. You just put your card information and click pay with card, and it will you will get Elementor Pro new version. So why wasting your time? Just update your Elementor and risk free your website. So thank you very much.